In this video, we're going over the 3 most important words used in dog training. I'm Will, welcome back to Kindly Canine Training, and we're getting into it right now. So the 3 most important words in dog training, number 1, good, which is the sustaining word or the bridge word. It lets the dog know that you're doing well, but we're not done yet, so keep it up. Number 2, the release word, which lets your dogs know that you're done. You did a good job, kind of like pushing the clicker. You know, you can come get your treat. Usually when you do once you give a treat, you remove them from the sit, the stay, the down, the place, whatever you're doing. So we should do that whether we're using a clicker or not. Always remove them from it, you know, draw them out with the treat, which also lets them know that yes is the release word. So once again, number 2 is yes, and that's the release word. If you want to learn how to get rid of unwanted behaviors and bring balance back to your pack, start right now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. And word number 3, no. So how we use this is very simply sit, no, apply pressure, pause, give them a chance to make the right decision. If they sit, we release pressure, yes, and then give them that treat. Hey, thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video or got something out of it and you'd like to buy me a coffee, now you can do that. So here's what you do. At the end of the video here, you can just minimize the video, come down here to my icon or logo, give that a click, which will take you to my YouTube homepage. And you see in the lower right of the channel art, this little coffee cup. Just click on that, which will take you to the Buy Me a Coffee website. And you see my page, same header as the YouTube. And you come down, you can select 1 or 3 or 5. You can put a personal message if you like, and then you just click support and it'll give you your payment job. PayPal, debit or credit, whatever you want to do. Again, I'm Will, your trainer here at Kindly Canine Training. Have a good one, and later on. So that's about it for this one. Thanks so much for joining me. Again, I'm Will at Kindly Canine Training. Have a good one, and later on.